Hey guys, we're out chasing muskies for the first time this year. We're doing a different lake this time, Loon Lake, up just north of Columbia City, so we're gonna give it a shot. Might also do a little bass fishing while we're here. It's gonna be a breezy spring day today, so we're gonna see if we can have some action out on the water today and get a measurable muskie. So follow us and see how we do. Let's get in the boat and go. Yes. Oh, there's a muskie. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, he's here. He liked it. I don't know if you guys got to see that or not, but there was a muskie follow right here on the soft plastic. It was underneath it though. Now it's just gonna bite. Get it to bite. Oh, there he is. There he is. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Come on, baby. Come on, he's still there. He was there. Oh, he's still here. Come on, big girl. I gotta get this muskie to eat. Hey guys, here's the fishing joke of the day. One day, two guys, Frank and Bob, were out fishing. A funeral service passes over the bridge that they're fishing by, and Bob takes off his hat and puts it over his heart. He does this until the funeral service passes by. Frank says, "Gee, Bob, I didn't know you had it in you." Bob replied, "It's the least I could do. After all, I was married to her for 30 years. Back to the action. Oh, there's a swan on a nest over there. That is so cool. No wonder being so defensive. Wow. Beautiful. it. He was on it. He's still there. He liked the chatterbait. Oh, fish. Fish is right on it. 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 Fish, 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 fish. No, 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 no. Come here. Come here, Muskie. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. There you are. Come here, big girl. She's sitting right there. Lay this. And she came up underneath it. I get them to eat something. And there's muskies all over this place. All I gotta do is put the right bait in front of them. Ooh, kayak is sinking. Oh shoot. Crap. Oh my gosh, it's muskies spawning. It's muskies spawning. Holy cow. Look at it. That's gotta be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Wow. Look at that. Who gets to see that? I mean, I hate to be forced to see that like I am right now. I had to get out of the kayak because it was filling up with water. But just to see that majesty. There are two beautiful fish spawning right there. Oh, hey little turtle. Hey little guy. Cutie cutie. Look at that little feller. Awesome. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. It was a lot of fun discovering new water, new fish, getting action. Unfortunately, no bites, but we learned a lot about this new body of water, learned more about kayak fishing. We'll get that leak fixed in the kayak as soon as possible so that we get back out on it and make it safe. Simple thing that we need to do. And maybe even post some videos about how we're going to work through that fix as well. So lots of good things coming there. Thanks again. Please like this video. Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you. We love to answer any questions or just talk about muskie fishing or just anything in general. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can become part of the Dad Life Fishing Adventure family, and also check out Reese Life Dad Life. Join our channels, and we would love to hear from you. Be part of the action and share your information as well. And while you're at it, check out some of our other videos that are linked here at the end.